Hi guys, today we're going to be making a origami frog. So what you'll need is a piece of origami paper. I'm using green because frogs are normally green. If you don't have origami paper, you can use printer paper. And if you're using the double-sided origami paper, you're going to put the colored side up. So first what you're going to do is you're going to fold this side to this side. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to fold this side down to this side. After that, you're going to fold this flap up to this part, like this. Then you're going to open it up like this, and you're going to fold this corner to this little intersection. Then you're going to open it up and do the same thing with this to over here. Then you're going to open it up, and you're going to press these two in like this, and you're going to push it down. After, you're going to fold this part to the bottom of the triangle. After that, you're going to slightly open it. This will help make the step easier. And you're going to fold this part right here. Do the same thing with the other side. After that, you're going to fold this part up like this, and then you're going to basically open it slightly, and you're just going to push this part down with your fingers to help. Make sure you put your fingers in so that way there's no tight spots, and you can press it down like this, and it should look something like a boat. After that, you're going to push this, you're going to sort of open this up like this. It should be smooth, or probably be no, or maybe a small crease line, but there should be like no other flaps like right here and right here. After that, you're basically going to fold it to make the thickness of your legs, like this. Make sure that you try to match. Make sure you try to match them so that way they look about the same. Then you're basically going to do the same thing up here to make its front legs. Make sure that like all your folds match up and all the edges are coming together. Then you're going to fold this part to the middle part, to like the inner point. Then you're going to fold this portion down like this, and you're going to open it and reveal your super cute, also hoppable origami frog. If you hold it, it will flip over like this. And this is how you make an origami frog. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please remember to give it a like and subscribe. And also remember to hit the notification bell down below to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye!